Very good morning to all the students. I am your SST teacher, Miss Dipali Sharma. So students, let's start our today's class with the sentence of the day. So today's sentence of the day is practice makes a man perfect. I repeat again, practice makes a man perfect. So students, let's start with our today's class. So students, I hope you all have opened your SST books. So we are doing the chapter number 4, the Western Desert of India. So before I start with the new topic, let's recapitulate the yesterday's topic. So students, page number 26. So yesterday I have explained you about the desert. Then I have explained you about the sand dunes and then the climate of desert. Right students? So just recapitulate these topics. So I have explained to you about the desert, that what is desert. So a desert is a flat area covered with sand. And it has very little vegetation, right? Next, I have explained to you about the sand dunes, that sand dunes are the small hills of sand like this or hillocks of sand, right students? So, as I have explained to you about the western desert, so the western part of Rajasthan is a desert. As I have explained to you that the western part of Rajasthan is known as the Thar Desert or the Great Indian Desert. Right students? So, western part of Rajasthan is known as the Thar Desert or the Great Indian Desert. Right students? So then I have explained you about the climate of desert. So the climate of desert is of very extreme type. In winters, the days are pleasant but nights are very cold. During summer, the days are very hot while the nights are cool. And there is very little rainfall in the desert. Right students? So let's start with our today's topic. Today we will read about the means of transportation in desert and we will talk about the life in the desert. Now let's start with the means of transportation. So means of transportation camel is the chief means of transportation in desert. Right students? Camel is the chief means of transportation in desert because it can live without food and water for many days. It has broad padded feet which allows it to move firmly on the sand. Right students? So, camel is the chief means of transportation. Right students? Chief means of transportation because it can live without food and water for many days. For many days, right students? Right? So, as I've explained you that it has broad padded feet which allows it to move firmly on the sand, and it is also known as the ship of the desert. Camel is known as the ship of the desert. Right students? Students, camel is known as the ship of the desert. Right? Now next. So there are some places which receive very little rainfall and that become desert. Right students? There are various reasons for the creation of desert. So what are the reasons for the creation of desert? So there are various reasons for the creation of desert, like overgrazing of animals, deforestation or cutting down of trees, and less rainfall. These are the various reasons for the creation of desert. I repeat again, there are the various reasons for the creation of desert, like overgrazing of animals, deforestation or cutting down of trees, and less rainfall. These are the various reasons for the creation of desert. Now we will talk about the life in the desert, right? Now next is life in the desert. So students, the life in the desert is very difficult because desert receives very little rainfall. Right students? So we are talking about the western desert, and the western desert lies in the Rajasthan. So we will talk about the Rajasthan. So the Rajasthan is the largest state in India. Rajasthan is the largest state in India. Right student? And it is located in the north-western part of India. Right students? Rajasthan is the largest state in India and it is located in the northwestern part of India. So, the life in desert is very difficult because it receives very little rainfall. People have to move from one place to another in search of food, water. Right students? And those people who move from one place to another in search of food or water, they are known as nomads or banjaras. Right students? Nomads or banjaras. Those people who move from one place to another in search of food or water. So, the life in desert is very difficult. Right students? Now, next. There is one fair which is very popular in Rajasthan. that is Pushkar Fair. Pushkar Fair. This fair is very popular in Rajasthan because it is the fair in which animals are brought and sold. Right, students? Now we will talk about their clothes. So, the people of Rajasthan wear very beautiful and colorful clothes. Men wear dhoti and kurta with colorful turban, and women wear ghagra and choli with odhni to cover the head. Right, students? So men wear dhoti and kurta with colorful turban, and women wear ghagra choli with odhni to cover the head. Right, students? So we are talking about the Rajasthan. So next, Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan. Right, students? Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan. And Jaipur is known as the Pink City. Why? Jaipur is known as the Pink City because most of the buildings in Jaipur are in pink color. Right, students? And there is one very famous historical monument in Jaipur, that is Hawa Mahal, and it was built in 1799. Right, students? So, students, as I have explained you about the Indira Gandhi Canal yesterday. So, the Indira Gandhi Canal provides irrigation. It brings water from the Satluj River. Right, students? Now, we will read these topics through the book. Now, we will read with the book. Camel is the chief means of transportation in desert. Students, you have to underline the first line. Camel is the chief means of transportation in desert. It can live without water and food for many days. The camel has broad padded feet which help it to walk firmly on the sand. It is called the ship of the desert. Students, underline this line. It is called the ship of the desert. Places that receive very little rainfall become deserts over many years. Man is also responsible for creating desert, cutting off trees, allowing overgrazing by the animals, increases the desert area. We should plant more and more trees to stop the turning of fertile areas into desert. So students, as I have explained you that there are many reasons for the creation of desert. So we should plant more and more trees to stop the turning of fertile areas into the desert. Right? Now next, life in the desert in the Central Plateau. So today we have discussed about the life in the desert. Rajasthan is the largest state in India. Students, you have to underline this line. Rajasthan is the largest state in India. It is located in the northwestern part of India. The western part of Rajasthan is a desert. The soil here is sandy and there is little rainfall. The desert of Rajasthan is known as the Thar Desert. Students, underline this line. The desert of Rajasthan is known as the Thar Desert, as I have explained you. The Thar Desert has very little water or vegetation. Life is very hard here. People have to go from one place to another in search of food for themselves and their animals. These people are called nomads or banjaras, as I have explained you about the nomads and banjaras. The Pushkar Fair is very popular in Rajasthan. Students, underline this line. The Pushkar fair is very popular in Rajasthan. In this fair, the animals are brought and sold. As you can see the image of Pushkar fair in your books. Page number 28. Pushkar fair. Now next. The people of Rajasthan wear bright colorful clothes. The men wear dhoti kurta and a woman wear ghagra choli with an odhni to cover the head. They speak Rajasthani and Hindi. Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan. It is known as the Pink City as most of the buildings in the city are pink in color. Hawa Mahal is one of the most beautiful historical monuments in Jaipur. It was built in 1799. So students, underline this line. Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan and it is known as the Pink City. And then you have to underline it was built in 1799. So this is an image of Hawa Mahal. It is in Jaipur, Rajasthan. Next, canals are the major source of water. As I have explained you that canals are the main source of water and Indira Gandhi Canal brings water from the Satluj River. Right students? This is an image of desert. This is an image of Thar Desert. This is an image of sand dunes. This is an image of Indira Gandhi Canal. This is an image of Hawa Mahal. Now students, we have done with our reading. Now at last, whenever I will give you the homework, now you don't have to send your homework on the school app. Now we will give you the dates that when you have to submit your notebooks at school. Now students, at last you have to attend your classes on a regular basis. Right students? And you have to complete your work on a regular basis. So, thank you students and have a nice day.